My nigga on General TV. Oh no, don't make that face. Don't face. Oh, you fucking my TV show up. Don't make that face. Nigga, you better act right. Okay. You was doing good tonight, man. What's your name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad? Say I love General TV, Muhammad.
I love General TV.
My motherfucking nigga, boy. Come here. Give me some high five. Boy, that motherfucker cool, bigger than your hand, boy. I swear to God, but you my motherfucking nigga. I see you, boy, I see you. Say one more time, I love General TV.
I love General TV.
My motherfucking nigga, man. I quit, man. All right, now you take it easy, all right? You see this young girl right here?
Yeah.
What would you do with this young telephone right here?
Nothing.
You would do nothing? What you celibate?
I'm gay.
You gay? Yeah. If you don't get your mother, I swear to God, I met a motherfucker. Boy, you better make me kick your ass all the way down 15th Street. You want to play games with me? Is you gay?
I'm gay, boy.
Oh, get your... Boy, I'm gonna boot the shit, boy. What would you do with Carter? Let me go. All right.